Hey guys, it's Anthony. It's May 5th, so the day for Prince Charles has finally come. Tomorrow he will be coronated as King Charles III um, in the church's eye. I think that's how it works. I mean, he's King Charles, he's a king now, but maybe not in the eyes of the Church of England, but I'm just guessing there. But anyway, it's going to be a historic event, and I'll be tuning in to watch that event. But what I wanted to show you is what silver coins you can purchase for this event. Not so much for the event, but for Prince Charles becoming king. So we have here his coin, and then we also have Queen Elizabeth's coin, his mother. You can purchase them separately, or you can purchase them as a kit right here. So you see that there are different price points, whether you're a member or not a member. So if you are looking to add to your collection or start a new collection, this is a great opportunity to do it. And it's an historic event, and I'll be watching the event, and maybe you are. Like I said, it's a historic event, so I always like to be part of history. So with that, if you are interested in purchasing these coins, head over to shopsilvernow.com, and it's really that easy. All right, enjoy your day.